GISDAS, a cloud-based SaaS solution for automating sales and distribution in pharmaceutical, FMCG, and manufacturing industries. GISDAS is a cloud-based software as a service (SaaS) platform that automates warehouse and distribution processes, focusing on the pharmaceutical, fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, and in manufacturing sectors. It provides a comprehensive end-to-end solution that streamlines operations from the warehouse directly to the consumer, enhancing efficiency and transparency across the supply chain. Total sales shows the overall revenue generated. Total costs tracks all costs associated with sales. Total profit displays the profit after deducting associated costs. Products sold tracks the number of units sold. Stock on hand monitors the current inventory levels. Overdue invoices lists unpaid invoices, showing invoice numbers, customer names, amounts due, and overdue dates. Overdue shipments details shipments delayed beyond their expected delivery date, including shipment numbers, customer names, and the number of overdue days. The product creation page is part of GISDAS' CRM interface, allowing users to easily add new products to the system. Key fields include product name, a mandatory field for identifying the product, SKU, stock keeping unit, a unique code assigned to each product variant for inventory tracking, product type, categorizes products based on their nature or characteristics. In the customer details section of GISDAS, you can manage customer information and interactions efficiently. Key fields include customer name, a mandatory field for identifying customers, customer code, a unique alphanumeric identifier for each customer, tax number, captures the customer's tax ID for tax calculations, invoicing, and compliance. Assigned to MPO, medical product officer, assign customers to a specific MPO for better management and service. Order lists the orders placed by the customer, with details such as order ID, date, status, and order value. Due shows the outstanding amount owed by the customer. Credit displays the credit limit or outstanding credit for the customer. The sales target section tracks individual sales goals assigned to employees for specific products. Employee ID and name identifies the employee responsible for the sales target. Product name specifies the product with the target sales goal. Target by quantity indicates the target number of units the employee needs to sell. Price-wise target shows the sales revenue target for the employee. The sales orders section allows you to create and manage orders efficiently. It includes order number, a unique identifier for each order. Customer details includes the customer's name, billing and shipping addresses, contact information, and tax details. Order dates tracks the creation and issue dates of each order. Assigned to MPO displays the MPO responsible for the order. Product description includes item name, quantity, P bonus, available, T price, discount, VAT, and total amount after applicable charges. The remittance collection page within GISDAS is designed to manage payment collections. Remittances typically refer to payments received from customers or other sources. Key fields on this page include Pay ID, a unique identifier for each transaction. Transaction type specifies the nature of the transaction. Payment mode indicates how the payment is made. The Search GRN field allows users to locate specific goods, received notes, GRNs, for detailed payment processing, ensuring accuracy and ease in tracking transactions. The cash management page in GISDAS is used for processing cash or check handovers and bank deposits. Key features include handover cash, checks, fields such as sales office and sales assistant specify the source and handler of the transaction. Bank account information includes bank account name to ensure proper deposit records are maintained. The supplier management interface allows users to create and manage new suppliers within the relationships module. Supplier code, a unique identifier for each supplier. Supplier name, the official name of the supplier. Tax number, for tax documentation and compliance. Additionally, the assigned to field designates an employee or team responsible for managing the relationship with the supplier, ensuring smooth communication and operations. The purchase order section is central to creating and managing purchase orders within GISDAS. Order information includes order number, supplier, dates and currency. Product details contains item name, quantity, item cost, and line item totals. The Goods Delivery Note (GDN) section is designed to generate detailed delivery notes and invoices for specific routes. It ensures accurate product delivery by drivers and salespeople, based on the GDN information. This functionality streamlines the tracking of product deliveries, improving operational efficiency. Goods delivery note information, including GDN number, route name, customer information, customer name and related information. The Goods Received Note (GRN) section helps document the receipt of goods in the sales center or outlets. Goods Received Note information, including route name, GRN number and GDN number. Customer information, customer name and related information. This section also tracks payment status and mode, ensuring timely financial reconciliation as the customer confirms receipt of products. Shipment. Shipment management GISDAS. A shipment department manages and tracks both incoming shipments sent to customers and incoming deliveries from suppliers. Shipments can be easily created. The status of shipments can be monitored in real time. Shipment-related reports can be generated for accurate record keeping. This ensures smooth logistics operations and comprehensive shipment tracking. Account Journal section in the GISDAS interface is designed for recording and managing financial transactions within the accounting system. It enables users to document various transactions, including sales, purchases, expenses, and adjustments. Key features include creating journal entries, selecting transaction types and accounts, inputting transaction amounts, and generating detailed reports on journal entries. Advance request. Depots often require petty cash, and approval from the head office is necessary for this. In such cases, the depots will be able to submit their request for petty cash approval to the head office. The Inventory Stock on Hand section offers a real-time snapshot of your current inventory levels. Displays key details like product names, available quantities, stock locations, and reorder levels. This helps businesses effectively manage inventory, avoid stock-outs, and prevent overstocking. The Invoice Summary section provides an overview of all generated invoices. It includes critical information such as invoice numbers, dates, customer names, and total amounts. This section simplifies tracking, managing, and reviewing invoices, supporting efficient financial management. Customer Due section highlights outstanding balances owed by customers. It shows due amounts, payment deadlines, and relevant customer details, enabling businesses to manage receivables effectively and improve cash flow. Cash Statement. The Cash Statement section summarizes all cash transactions, including inflows, outflows, and balances over a selected period. It allows users to track cash flow and maintain accurate financial records. Bank Statement. The Bank Statement section offers a comprehensive view of all bank transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and account balances. This feature makes it easier to reconcile accounts and monitor financial activities. Account receivable. The account receivable section tracks outstanding payments from customers, listing due amounts, payment terms, and customer information. This section helps streamline receivables management, improving cash flow and ensuring timely collections. Account payable. Account payable section manages payments owed to suppliers, detailing amounts due, payment terms, and due dates. It supports timely payments and helps maintain strong supplier relationships. Trial balance. Trial balance section offers a snapshot of all ledger balances, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It ensures accounting accuracy and serves as a foundation for financial reporting. Balance sheet. Balance sheet provides a comprehensive view of a company's financial position, showcasing assets, liabilities, and equity. This helps assess financial health and supports informed decision-making. Credit limit management. Credit limit feature allows you to define and manage the maximum credit amount extended to each customer, ensuring proper credit control. MPO performance tracking. The MPO performance feature tracks and evaluates the performance of MPOs. It helps assess how well MPOs are achieving their sales targets and meeting key performance indicators, KPIs. Target versus achievement. Target versus achievement feature compares actual sales performance against predefined sales targets. It helps analyze individual, team, and company-wide sales performance. Remittance status. The remittance status feature tracks all incoming payments, or remittances in real time. It provides detailed insights, including payment sources, transaction dates, amounts, and any discrepancies or issues with payments. MPO due. The MPO due feature helps track and manage outstanding payments owed to MPOs for their sales activities or other services rendered. This ensures timely and accurate compensation for your sales team.